So it's quite 10 o'clock, and I just wanted to. I just came from shower, and few lines hit me that sometimes. Okay, I'll read it. uh, so it so happens that sometimes I do imagine you imagining me in my imagination. Oh wait, I call it our imagination in my imagination. Sometimes I just want to say I miss you. Uh, okay. So just these lines, I just wanted to put these up, and I think there's one of my video which has got 5,000 views. So it's the IIT hostel rooms. So I'll have these. This is the newer hostels. These are the newer hostels at IIT Gandhinagar. So I'll give you a room tour. Yeah. So let's start with the gate. So it has a hook. Um, so it has a hook which has my kapde and all. So it has an open shelf wherein I keep most of my things, bats and all, books and stuff, bags and also. Then there's this cupboard wherein I put all my junk. So on the upwards over the so this is the AC. Uh, so it functions from night 8 to morning 8, I believe, because that's when it starts cooling down. Then this is my bed, and so this is my study table. A study lamp is also provided. So which so it's with a yellow hue, but I make it blue with all these with this extend feature. So yeah, this is my study table and chair, my bag, uh, and this is the outside view from my room. So this is the playing arena. You can play around. Yeah, I'm not very good with vlogging, I believe, because I'm not getting the angles right. So yeah, and this is the newly bought guitar which I'm learning, and then these are some of the photos that I quite cherish. So yeah, uh, since I'm from UP, तो जैसे बिन डीजर जो है कि हमारे योगी आदित्यनाथ जो है कि जो हमारे योगी आदित्यनाथ है बिन डीजर है, समझे? तो बिन डीजर कहते हैं कि क्रिस को सब्सक्राइब करें और मतलब सजेशन दे कि कैसे वीडियो बनाए, बट अच्छा लगता है. Okay, yeah, so this is pretty much it. I don't know why I did this, but I like it, and I've been quite working out. Yeah.